lang. With one stroke only.
Yes.
Okay?
And then, what do you call this one? After the front, also clean the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Then discard the diaper.
Discard the diaper, the dirt diaper. And then we're going to the tub.
Okay.
And then,
First, the feet.
yes. First, the
Use your mittens. That is your mittens, no? Your washcloth. Yeah, mittens. Okay? So how do we do it? Kindly focus the hand. Okay?
this one. Put inside.
Okay. May arte man gali, no? Of course, no?
Siguro may alam siya. Alam niya.
Okay. Wash first the eyes or the face, no? First face, body, and hair. Okay, so face. So, first is the eyes. From?
Inner to outer.
Oh, what is the term inner? Canthus. This is the canthus of the eyes.
Yes.
Inner to outer canthus. This is your inner, this is your outer canthus. C-A-N-T-H-U-S. Canthus. Okay?
Then,
You paid for it, so you need to know the medical term.
ears.
Okay, ears from
Inner to
inner to
outer.
outer. Chest. Going to the genital. Okay, so if the baby is a girl, put more attention also to the crease or the area. Okay, so it should be washed. Then wash with water, ha? Water, lagyan mo ng water. Diyan ng water, dito na water. Mamaya yan, kasi clean yan, di ba?
This is the clean.
So dito tayo. Okay? Pang finale yan yung clean
Pang
water
finale.
natin. Okay, so i-clean siya. Okay? Clean. And after that,
After that,
back portion.
turn the baby.
Okay, turn the baby. Okay, you protect the neck. Okay, hold that one and yeah, kindly tilt the baby like this. Okay, going to the back. Girls, guys, there are instances nag-attempt tayo magganyan no, baby oh. Huwag during kasi nakatilt na tayo pag ganyan natin baka maano yung leeg niya. Okay? So you need to protect the baby, no? From here if you want to, do not attempt to do like that and clean. So you need to protect the neck and kindly tilt the baby and do it from here. Okay? Okay, cover the baby. Now you go to your head. Wash the hair. Okay, shampoo. Yung puti ang shampoo ah. Okay. Okay. So you going to the back. Yeah. And make sure that the shampoo is not going to the eyes of the baby. Okay, then use your clean water. Ilagay mo si baby sa taas konti. Naga sa ilalim na siya. Malunod na yan. Okay, then use the water from the clean water and wash the head. Okay, always protect the eyes and ears. Be mindful. Just do not pour water. Okay. Then use this one. You can use also this clean cloth and then wash everything with the clean water now. Okay, then you finish na. Tapos na, kay wag hindi natin pwede malamigan si baby. So it will only take us how many minutes to bath the baby? Ideally, 5 to 7 minutes. 5 to 7 minutes. Walang 30 minutes na paliguan ay. No? 5 to 7 minutes lang yan. Then, put sa may cloth natin. Then, wrap your baby. Quickly. You wrap the baby and dry the baby. Especially first, pag dry ng baby, unahin ang ulo. You need to remove the water from the head. Then, ang legs, dayon. Ang extremities tayo una. Kasi
May
yung,
mga dito din sa mga bata na mabaho.
oo, pero,
Gilagid.
but with water, head and the feet. Ay, ang feet, pag malamig, malalamigan yun ng baby. Okay? So, do not, you just pat dry. No, with newborn, pat dry. Hindi tayo parang 3 years old. Wala, hindi na gano'n yan. Si baby. Oo, baka maano tayo niyan. So, you position, that's what yan. Open lang muna, then you put your diaper. Do we need to put powder?
Yes, they put powder.
They put powder, but
It's depende.
powders have, what's this? It's not hypoallergenic at all because it has, the dust.
Yes, yes.
No? Some will have allergies, some will start to sneeze. Kung mag-start a sneeze ang baby, so start tayo ng sipon.
The instruction of madam will tell you put the powder. Sabi, minsan hindi ko malagyan sa nakalimutan ko tulad sa
Pero most na ngayon hindi na ganun.
Then, remove this one. Remove the cloth. Paglagay ng diaper, kunin mo na yung cloth. And then, ready na ka na sa may swaddling cloth mo. And then, you put on the dress. Diba? Sabi bunda ang ulo. Okay? And then now your under. Okay, the other hand. Tuck it in. Yeah. Tuck in. Okay. Then how? Yeah. Okay. Then ready for.